In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a contributor and set permission Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring someone onto your website safely and give them the right level of access. Start on your site's home panel. At the bottom left, click the settings icon to open the full settings menu. This is where Squarespace keeps account, website, and permission controls, so it's the right place to manage who can work on your site. Next, open the section labeled Permissions and Ownership. If you first see a website settings screen, just choose Permissions and Ownership there as well to get into the dedicated permissions area. This page shows current contributors and their roles, and it's where you'll send invitations. Click Invite Contributor. A form appears asking for basic details. Type the person's name and their email address. Double-check the email for accuracy. The invitation goes to this address, and the person will use it to accept access. They can use an existing Squarespace account or create one during acceptance, so there's nothing else you need to set up here. Now choose the role. For this walkthrough, click Administrator. Administrator grants full control over the site, including design, content, commerce, and settings. Use this level only for people you fully trust because it includes the ability to manage other contributors. You can always return to this screen later to adjust a contributor's role if needs change. When everything looks good, click Invite. Squarespace will send the email right away, and you'll see the new person listed as pending until they accept. If they don't see the message, have them check spam or promotions folders, and you can resend the invite from the same permissions page. After they accept, their status switches to active with the role you selected. From that point on, they can sign in with their own account and work within the access you granted. If you ever need to remove someone, you can do it from the same permissions and ownership area, and their access will be revoked immediately. One last tip: confirm with your contributor which parts of the site they'll handle, and keep a simple record of who has access for easy audits. It keeps collaboration smooth and your site secure. That's the complete process. Open settings, head to permissions and ownership, invite the contributor, enter their details, choose the administrator role for full access, and send the invite. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, be sure to follow along for more clear, step-by-step Squarespace tutorials.